All right, YouTube, I got something here. I couldn't resist buying a ukulele, even though I have too many ukuleles. This ukulele was too special for me not to purchase. Here's my, oh, by the way, if you want to watch a video later on, I don't know if I'll ever show how I made this, but you know, it's my stone person, or a stone baby. We use it to leave the door open because I needed something heavy. And I use found materials in my classroom, but I'm not really going to talk about that right now. All right, let's open this up. Can you guys see me in the frame? Am I in there? Is my head cut off?
Yeah.
My head's cut off?
Yeah.
A little bit. Okay, how about now? Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay, now here's my box. I waited. Even though I got this yesterday in the mail, after I got home, I said, well, it's more exciting if I unbox it in front of the kids so they know that if they order this ukulele for Ukulele Band this year, because we do ukulele performances for our transitional kindergarten class, but we also practice bands just for fun because I happen to know how to play, and I've developed a program for playing with my students and teaching them how to be collaborative and visual and performance artists for their report card, because there's visual and performing arts in the report card. So this is from Amazon. It's a caramel ukulele. They're supposed to give me a ton of stuff. I don't see a ton of stuff yet, so hopefully I ordered with accessories. There better be accessories in here. Just looks like a ukulele so far. So I hope they have accessories in here, otherwise they better send it to me in a separate package or I will complain. Now this looks like just a ukulele box. See here? Caramel brand. I've ordered a small ukulele, smaller than Soprano. I forgot what they call it. Peakalele, I don't know. It was just so tiny that I wanted a really tiny one. I didn't have a tiny one. I have Soprano ukuleles, but this one was $49.99 with accessories. But it's also $49.99 with 0 accessories. So I like their little motto, caramel melts in my heart. And we're gonna open this and hope that everything's in there. Raise your hand if you think everything's in there. You think I'm worrying for no reason? Everybody just raise their hand. Okay, so I'm kind of worried because I've never seen a ton of stuff come in such a small package. But like I said, they do offer the same package with nothing other than the ukulele. Sounds like there's a lot in here though. Oh, there you go. They actually ship it in the package, in the case. That's something I've never seen before. Usually the case is separated, and so there's the case. It's a very strong case. Again, this whole entire package, I'm not lying. I bought it September 11th, 2019 off of Amazon. Yesterday, no wait, I ordered it 2 days ago. Yeah, because I got it in Prime. So here's a little extra pocket, and it has 2 zippers. So if you go this way, you could also lock it up that way, so it's convenient depending on where your zipper is. Okay, the only thing that comes in this case, and if you see, this is a very thick padding. If you smell it, it smells like China. You know what China smells like because they make everything, but you know, sometimes they have that China smell. This is padded. There's a backpack strap on this case. This is very high quality. Very high quality. I've never seen backpack straps on a case, and this came included in the $49.99 package. Let's just call it $50 from now on. Now, also in this package, am I still in frame? Can you see the table? All right, because I'm gonna readjust it. The focal point now should be the ukulele itself. So this is solid mahogany top, solid back. It's in plastic with a rubber band. Let's remove that. The reason why I felt this would be a very unique purchase for me, a very unique Soprano, even though I've got like 40 soprano ukuleles in my classroom, is because this comes with a tuner. It came with the case. I showed you the case. It comes with Aquila strings, and those are well-known strings. If you look at it, the action looks really, really tight. By the way, just to prove it, these are Super Naglet Aquila strings. Comes with a nice fancy tag, CS419, caramel, size, soprano, top, solid mahogany, back, solid mahogany. That is rare for a ukulele, and the sides are also mahogany. What's rare about that is that usually ukuleles that are in this price range and lower have a laminated top, which means it just looks like the wood, but in reality, it's a veneer glued over cheaper wood. But this is a solid mahogany top, solid back, mahogany all around. And the most unique thing about this, I haven't seen this before, it's a ukulele with a classical guitar head. Usually you don't see it done that way, so I had to try it. It also comes with an amplifier part for here to plug into an amplifier. And I will be doing a demo later and a review, but I just wanted to show you what I got first of all. Even comes in a fancy little Ziploc bag with all the accessories that came along with this for $49.99. Like I said, I just call that $50, but it just blows my mind. It's actually under $50. Usually, the ukulele itself is $50. In fact, you could buy this ukulele for $50, or you could buy the ukulele with the padded gear and all this other accessories for $50. You just have to make the correct selection. Otherwise, they'll send you just the ukulele. So be careful if you're ordering this. They said it would come with 5 sets of strings. I didn't believe that, and I was correct. It didn't come with 5 sets of strings. It only came with 1 extra set, I believe. Let's open this up because I don't want to say it the wrong way. All right, hold on. 1, 2, 3. What? They did not lie. Each of these in this package is actually, there's 4 extra sets. This is the first set, and then there are 4 extra sets of, if you break the string 4 times on each one, you're still okay because you'll have 1 left. I will use these for spare strings on my other ukuleles, but these are not Aquila. Only the ones on the original set are on the original that are already put on there are Aquila. These are caramel brand strings, which I'm fine with because I don't really change the strings. I'm not picky about the sound like other people are. That would probably be about $10, $15 right there for sets of strings, depending on the quality of them. This is a sealed, baggy, brand new connector to hook into any microphone plug, any microphone inlet, right? So now I can play this through my karaoke machine because all I have to do is plug it here, plug this side into my karaoke machine, turn on the karaoke machine and turn it all the way up, and I'll have a super loud ukulele. This comes, I said, with a tuner, but it also has bass, middle, and treble controls if you want to adjust the sound of the ukulele when you're playing on an amplifier. You could also use a guitar amplifier. You don't have to use a karaoke machine. Now this, they didn't tell me they were going to give me this. I don't know what this is. It's probably something for stringing the ukulele. Oh, I know what it is. It's because this ukulele, another unique feature is that it has bridge pegs over here. You put the pegs, after you tighten the string, you put the peg in there. That's rare. I've never seen that before either. So when you want to take that out, you got to use this pry bar and pry that out. So that's nice they gave me that as well. That was unexpected. I don't know what. This is another pouch of something, and they actually have a scan thing here, and I'm not going to bother scanning that because I know what everything is. It's a ukulele cleaner. They didn't tell me they're going to give me that. Spare pegs? In case I lose a peg, they gave me 2 extra pegs. Why are they so generous? I don't know. Maybe they just like me. So this is a felt pick, which is the recommended pick for a ukulele. It has a softer sound. if you're going to use a pick, but most ukulele players just use their hands. Their fingers, you can do a lot more strumming techniques with it just using your hands. But some kids say, my fingers hurt, can I use a pick? Now they gave 3 guitar picks, which you probably, normally people don't use guitar picks, but I know people like those. You could use it for your guitar, or you could use it for your ukulele if you prefer a sharper sound and you don't care if you damage the ukulele finish. So again, that was something I didn't expect, to get a little ukulele wipe. All right. I don't even know what's in here. Look at all these goodies. And I still can't believe this is only how much, everyone? $50. AKA $49.99. Now this is another thing that I had never gotten in any ukulele kit ever. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? This is another thing I never gotten before. These are for the ukulele strap, so that you can screw these if you want to. You screw one in here, and then you screw the other one in maybe here, or here. Yeah, maybe here. Probably a good idea if you're gonna do it, or somewhere, I don't know. But you screw it in, and then you can attach the strap as if it was a guitar strap. And you can see where you would put that on. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing, like, drilling into it. If you really wanted to, I guess you could drill it at the very, very end right here, where the 2 pieces of side mahogany come together, because there is a reinforcing piece on the inside at the bottom here, a reinforcing piece of wood. But you would screw these little buttons in there, and then you would hook this onto it. Now what this string is for is so you could actually just tie it to the neck. So you would take this strap and tie it to above the nut right here, between the head and the neck. Okay, so I may or may not put that on. That's optional, but it's nice to have. This is retail about $10, and it's a ukulele hanger. Again, everything that I'm getting with this kit is like ridiculous, because you're getting about $100 in value. So when you hang this, screw this into your wall, bam. You no longer have to just leave it on a sofa where it could get sat on, and I've had students say that before. Oh, someone sat on my ukulele and the neck broke, or somebody stepped on it. Well, now you just screw that into the wall and you have a ukulele holder. These retail for about $9, and I just got that included in the caramel ukulele package. A metal guitar capo, but you could use this on a ukulele as well. It says guitar, ukulele, bass. So if you buy a guitar or play a guitar someday, it works as well. So this is very flexible in case you want to play guitar. So anyways, that shortens the length of the strings, and it makes it where you just finger it the same way that you would normally finger it, but you can change the pitch to higher or lower, and you finger the chords the same exact way. And so now you could sing at different octaves, different pitches, just with this. That's usually about another $8, $9. Okay, this seems to be, it's not for a truss rod thing. I don't know what this is for. I don't know. They just gave me this. I completely don't see where it goes, but I'll take free stuff, and I'll figure it out as I go. I'm not worried about it. Product instructions. They do have a truss rod? You gotta be kidding me. A truss rod is if the neck of the ukulele or a guitar is not bent the way you want it to bend, you can tighten the truss rod and it will bend the ukulele back to the positioning you want. So if you want the neck to not be straight, you want it a little bit curved that way or that way. But I don't see the Allen bolt anywhere, and they have some nice information on some standard chords. Wow, and how to play this. You need a CR2032. I don't know if the battery is included, but they've included so many other things I would not complain. These are the screws for the ukulele hanger. So, now I'm sure you all probably just want to hear, wow, it's almost tuned. Can you guys see this? Can you bring me a ukulele off the wall? I'm gonna tune to another ukulele. There you go. Okay, so I'll play a quick song with a C, a G, and a F, and an A. Okay, oh, and this is laser etched. It's not just decal. Sometimes they just put a sticker there on inexpensive ukuleles. This is an inexpensive ukulele with all of the trimmings. It's shocking. I've never gotten a deal this great. I probably never will again, unless of course I buy the same exact thing off the internet. Now, I don't know about the sound. What do you guys think of the sound? Oh, and more importantly, don't buy ADM ukuleles. I'm gonna be a hater on that. I had a couple of students buy ADM ukuleles. That's ADM. And if you see that online, they're inexpensive. They come with a kit, but that nut is way too high, and the kids couldn't even press the strings down. They were so bad. This is perfect action. Okay. It's a very refined metal frets over here. You don't feel it cutting your fingers. Sometimes cheaper ukuleles will cut your fingers when you drag your finger along the edge. Like the metal frets aren't really filed down properly. These are perfect. The gears look perfect. Okay, can you guys see the ukulele in the picture? Yeah. Oh, it's time to go somewhere. Thank you for reminding me. There's a Reflections mini assembly right now, which is about art. So I'll play a song. I want you all to stand up, push in your chairs, and walk very carefully. Line up outside where we line up for lunch. And that's the end of the video. That was